In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove day separator in TradingView. Day separators are those vertical dividers that make it easy to see where one trading day ends and the next begins, especially helpful on intraday timeframes like the 5-minute or 15-minute chart. They help you quickly analyze daily ranges, spot gaps, and keep your sessions organized at a glance. Let's walk through how to turn them on and off. Start by opening your browser and heading to tradingview.com. Once the site loads, open a chart. If you don't already have a chart up, look to the left side of the interface and choose the option to select symbols. Pick any ticker you want to work with so you can see the changes clearly. When you're ready, click Full Chart. This opens the comprehensive charting view where all the settings and tools are available. Inside the full chart, move your mouse over an empty area of the chart, not on a candle or an indicator, and right-click. This opens a quick menu. From that menu, click Settings. The chart settings window will pop up, giving you a series of tabs that control everything from appearance to events. Now head to the tab labeled Event. This tab manages items that appear on the timeline, including the separator lines we're after. Look for the option called Earning Breaks. Turn this on to add the separators. Once enabled, you'll see vertical lines appear across the chart that mark the transition from one day to the next. These lines help you visually segment your trading sessions without changing your indicators or layout. If you're on an intraday time frame, the day separators will be very apparent. On a daily chart, each candle represents a full day, so separators are less meaningful there. If you decide you don't want the separators, simply return to the same event tab and switch off Earning Breaks. The vertical lines will disappear immediately, leaving you with a cleaner, uninterrupted view. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother: zoom in or out after toggling the setting to see the separators more clearly, and ensure you're viewing an intraday time frame for the most useful result. Interface labels can slightly change with platform updates, so if the name looks a little different, look for a similar toggle in the same area of the settings window. And that's it. You've learned how to add or remove day separators in TradingView by opening the full chart, right-clicking to access settings, going to the event tab, and toggling Earning Breaks on or off.